Hello everyone. This video is very important for all the students and teachers who dealt with Karnataka syllabus or NCERT syllabus. Because of the pandemic of this year, 30% of the portion is deleted for every subject and it has been announced by the Karnataka board. So I'm going to discuss in this video for science the chapter wide deleted portion and the topics for every chapters. So without missing any part of the video, please do watch the complete video to understand completely what has to be studied and what has to be left. Before we start, I would suggest all of you to be ready with your textbooks as well as with one pencil so that you can mark everything that has been deleted for this year, that is 2020 to 2021. So let us now start with the chapters. The very first chapter that is there in your textbook of NCERT science is chemical reactions and equations. And according to the new formation of the syllabus or the reduced syllabus, this complete chapter has been deleted. So you don't have to study this chapter anymore. And why it has been deleted? Because the same chapter, the same topics, whatever is being mentioned in this chapter, you have studied in your class 7 and class 8. The topics are already covered in those classes. So this chapter is completely deleted. This chapter is not there. Now coming to the next chapter. The next chapter is acids, bases and salts. So in this chapter there are few activities that has been omitted and there are few concepts also that has been omitted. So let me first tell you all the activities that you don't have to focus more for your board exam, and then I will let you know the concept that you don't have to study. So let me go to the activities first. So the activity 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 and 2.6 is being deleted. So let me mark that, and I will suggest you people also to mark with me. 2.1 is deleted, so you don't have to focus on this activity. 2.2 activity is there, so you have to study this activity, and they may ask you the questions also based on this activity, so do not omit this activity. Now let us come to the next activity that is being deleted, that is your exercise 2.3. Then let us go to the next activity, that is 2.4, that is also deleted. So I would suggest you to cancel it off so that while you are reading you should not get confused and you could have wasted your time. And even activity 2.5 is deleted. Then coming to the next activity, that is activity 2.6, this is also deleted. So the questions will also not been asked for these activities, so you don't have to study these activities for your board exams. Now coming to the concepts. While coming to the concepts, let me just tell you how it has been shared. So here you can observe the concept is given to you in this format, right, in your textbook. First, the main heading will be named as 2.1 and the subtopics under that will be named as 2.11. if it is based on the chapter. If the chapter number is 3, then here it would be 3.11, something like that, right? So 2.11 topic is being deleted. This topic is not there, you don't have to study this. Then 2.12 topic is also deleted. Then 2.13 topic is also deleted. All these topics you don't have to study for your exam of this year. Even 2.4 topic is deleted. So these are the topics that has been deleted from the main topic 2.1. Now coming to the next, this topic is there, so you don't have to skip this topic. This is there for your exam and you need to study this. Now coming to the next main topic, that is 2.2. In that Look, you have to study 2.15. This topic is not deleted and you have to focus for your board exam of this year. Now for 2.22 main topic, in this 2.21 is deleted. So just cross it, mark it like this, so that when you are studying you should not get confused and read this. So this topic is deleted. Now the next topic which is related in this chapter is 2.31. So the main topic, let us go to 2.3. In that we have got 3.1 deleted. So 2.31 is deleted. Mark this. This was the most important topic of this chapter, but now it has been eliminated. So just cross mark this. Now the next topic here, 2.43 is deleted. So let me just go to that topic and cross mark that. 2.43 is deleted. Okay. So this topic is deleted for you for this year. So that's it for this chapter now. Now we need to go to the next chapter, that is metals and non-metals. Now coming to metals and non-metals, in this 3.11 is deleted. So this topic is not there. And 3.22 is not there. Okay, so we need to mark that as well. So this topic is not there. What happens when metal react with water? This is not there now. And also under the main topic 3.2, 3.24 is also been deleted. Okay, so mark that topic as well. So this topic is not there for you now. Now let us go to the next main topic, that is 3.3. It is here. Yeah, it is here now. So under 3.3, we don't have 3.31. So 3.31 is being deleted now. So let us mark that. Yes. So properties of ionic compound is not there for you for this year. So now let us go to the next chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. So under carbon and its compound, there are only few topics that has been deleted. You don't have the topic that is 4.1. This complete topic is been deleted now, which is very small topic. In this topic, like they have just introduced you what is covalent bond. Why it is deleted? Because you have already learned this in your grade 7. So this topic, it has been deleted. And now only two more topics has been deleted, and that topic is from 4.4. so let us quickly go to that topic. Under 4.42, only two topics is being deleted. That is, you have the first property, that is reaction of ethanoic acid esterification reaction is there. You have to study. Only these two is being deleted. That is reaction with base and also reaction with carbonates. Only these two topics, small topics, has been deleted for you now, and remaining everything is has to be studied. So you need to focus more on this chapter. As you people know, this is the more scoring chapter, you can say, because the weightage is very much high for this chapter. So concentrate more on this chapter. So now let us go to the next chapter, that is periodic classification. So in this chapter, periodic classification of elements, the exercise, the activities 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5 in the document that the government has released is mentioned that these activities should be given it as assignment, home assignment for you people. So these activities also has to be studied by you. And when I am coming to the concept 5.11 and 5.22 is it has been deleted. So now you don't have Dobriner's triad, and also 5.2, that is Newland's laws of octave. Okay, so these two concept has been deleted from this chapter, and remaining everything remains same for this chapter. You need to focus on the remaining part of this chapter. So next come to the next chapter, that is biology chapter, life process. So in life process, few of the things have been deleted, that completely 6.1, 6.3 and 6.2 topics has been deleted. So this completely has been removed. 6.1, 6.2, that is nutrition, and also 6.3 is deleted. Let me mark that as well. 6.3, that is respiration. So this everything has been deleted, and remaining whatever is left out, you have to focus on that, because from this chapter only few of the things are remaining that you need to focus for your board exam. So now let us come to the next chapter, that is control and coordination. And in this chapter, control and coordination, there is no change. So in this chapter, how do organisms reproduce, there are two topics that is being completely deleted. That is topic 8.1 is completely deleted for you now, as well as topic 8.2 is completely deleted. That is modes of reproduction used by single organisms. So these two topics has been completely deleted. So now you need to focus on sexual reproduction topic that may come for your board exam. So you need to focus more on this particular topic. Now coming to the next chapter, that is heredity and evolution. There is no change under this chapter. So whatever was there, everything is remaining. So you have to study completely. There is no change in this chapter. Now let us go to the next chapter, that is light reflection and refraction. Under this chapter, first let me tell you about the activities. The activities from 10.1 to 10.5. All these activities would be given to you as an assignment. So you need to focus on these activities as well, because the question may appear in your board exam. And coming to the topic, there is no change in the concept wise thing. So you have to focus on each and everything from this chapter. Now the next chapter, that is human eye and colorful world. In this chapter, the concept or the topic 11.4 is completely deleted, except that everything is as it is, nothing has changed. Only the topic 11.4 it has been deleted. Only this has been reduced for you from this chapter, and remaining each and everything you have to study from this chapter. Now the next chapter, that is electricity. So under the chapter electricity, almost everything is there except the activity 12.2 and 12.4 that you need to skip for this academic year. So let me just mark you that. Okay, where is that activity 12.2? Okay, yes, I'm able to find it. Yes, here. So activity 12.2 as well as activity 12.4 is been skipped for this year. 12.4 is been skipped. So even this is not there. Now coming to the next chapter, that is magnetic effect of electric current. Let us see what all have been deleted. Under this chapter, that is magnetic effect of electricity, 13.1 activities from there till 13.5, all these will be given it as home assignment for you. So you need to focus on that as well with respect to your exam point of view. And then when coming to the concept, 13.7 is deleted. Only that topic is deleted. That concept is deleted for you for this academic year. So let me just mark that. Yes. Yes, 13.7 is deleted. Only this topic is deleted, except this everything is remaining the same. So you need to focus more on this, as these are the topics that will be continuing for your PUC syllabus also. So the next topic, that is sources of energy. Under the topic sources of energy, there are some activities that have to be given as homework from exercise 14.1. The activities 14.1 to 14.5, it will be given it as assignment to you people mostly. And the topics that is being skipped in this chapter is 14.4 and 14.5. Okay, so 14.4 and 14.5 is deleted, so let us just mark that. Okay, so environmental consequences is being deleted for this academic year, so you don't have to study the environmental consequences. And also 14.5 is deleted, that is how long will an energy source last us. So this is also deleted. So this is what about this from this chapter, that is sources of energy. Now let us come to the next chapter, that is our environment. So this chapter, that is our environment, is completely deleted. So this chapter is not there for you for this academic year. So don't study this chapter for this year now. So now the last chapter of the syllabus, that is sustainable management. Let us come to that chapter now. Under this chapter, that is management of natural resources, this chapter is as it is. You don't have to miss anything from this chapter. There is no change in this. There is no change in this chapter. Everything remains same. So this is what I wanted to share with you people, because I thought it is very helpful for you at this point of time, at least, because anyways you have lost a lot of time for this academic year. So now at least focus properly for the chapters that is being retained, and don't focus much on the chapters that is being eliminated or skipped for this academic year. So be safe, be at home. Thank you.